Good morning, students. The story we are taking up today, that is the essays that made trees bloom. In this story, we have studied that how the dog was attached emotionally with the couple. As we have studied that the dog all the time was very close to his master, whether they were in home or they were going outside in the field for walking. The dog was as their own child. As we have our very care, passion, and worries whenever our child is there in problem, all the same kinds of sensitivity, kindness, and caring was in the heart of the master for the dog. They never behaved as a dog, they behaved as human beings. And the dog, up to large extent, used to understand each and everything, especially their behavior, their kindness, everything the dog used to understand. That's why he also gave the same kinds of reaction to the master. Here in this story, we have studied that the dog once just smelled something strange, and the dog wanted to just indicate his master and take his master to the spot and paid attention that there is hidden something. And when he started digging, they got something strange, and that was a pot of gold. Thus, in an hour, the old couple were made rich, and in an hour, they become very rich. The good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friends, and gave plenty food to their poor neighbors. As for the dog, they petted him till they nearly smothered him with kindness. They become very happy, and they provided lots of food to the poor in their society. As you know, friends, we said to be the richest person. We said to be very kind person when we have caring, when we have just thinking about the downtrodden in our society. The richest means not making ourselves only happy and prosperous only about our own life. We must have a little bit thinking about those who are the poorest, who are very fighting for their life in our society. We must have caring for them too. And they invited their relatives too for the feast, and they gave lots of love to the dog by patting on his head. Now, in the same village, there lived a wicked old man and his wife. You know that the society is not made up of a single person, a person of same nature, of same mentality, of same creativity, of same thinking. The people are of different, of various creativity, of various thinking. Some are good, some are bad, some are intelligent, some are dull. It is the mixture of people that make a society. That's all the same. In the same village where this couple used to live, there lived a very wicked person, means very a bad person of nature, who used to live, and who was not at all sensitive towards the animals, not a bit sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all dogs whenever any passed their house. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bits of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find treasure for them. And they wanted, here they wanted to copy. There are people of envious nature in our society, that whenever you become success in your life, they become envious, and sometimes they want to copy the same thing as you do. But here This story also gives a very good lesson to us that we should never try to copy. We should try to do the same thing, but we should do the same thing differently. We don't have to do the thing different, we have to do the same thing differently. Then we can become successful in our life. But he did not do so. That's why he became failure. And what he did, he also as we know that he was not sympathetic towards dogs. Whenever any dog passing through his house, he used to kick and throw something and chase away the dogs. But this time when he heard that the dogs supposed to be very helpful, very friend like, they forcefully dragged the dog of the couple to his own garden and provided bone and feast, in this hope that the dog will also take them to the treasure and they will become happy. But this mission was supposed to be completely failure. But the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would neither eat nor move. The dog was very here. It also showed that we cannot get love of even animals by force, by threatening. Love cannot be just happened by force. It is just meeting of two souls, whether from man to animal or animal to animal or man to man. It happens so. But he was doing forcefully, that's why he became unsuccessful in that mission. Then they dragged him out of the doors. After that, they pulled the dog out of the door, taking a spade and hoe with them. They also wanted to do the same thing as the old couple did. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. And as the same, all the same, when the dog started scratching all the them, the couple become happy in this hope that they will also get a pot of gold. Quickly, wife, hand me the spade and hoe, cried greedy old fool as he danced with joy. She became very delighted that now they will get a, a pot filled with gold. Then the covetous old fellow with a spade and the old crone with a hoe began to dig, but there was nothing but a dead kitten, a smell of which made them drop their tools and shut their nose, furious at the dog. Now, instead of getting a pot of gold, they got a dead kitten buried in the ground, and the smell was so that they were not able to stand there. They just uh, put something on their nose and they became very angry and strike at the dog, and the dog was put to death. And they wanted to just kill the dog with the help of hoe. The lady killed the dog and cut into pieces, and they buried the dog in the same place. The owner of the dog heard of the death of his pet. Now the owner of the dog, the couple, heard about the death of the dog, and they were completely shocked, mourning for him as if he had been his own child. As we know that this was not a dog for them, it was their own child. Went at night under the pine tree, and at the same night they went under the pine tree. As we know that here humanity is supposed to be dead by the activity of this couple, that for wealth, for treasure, they killed a dog, that they completely were black spot in the name of humanity. Thank you.